Well, there is word tonight the massive cleanup of the Palisades fire could be delayed by months. KCAL's Lori Perez is live in Malibu to tell us why. Good evening, Lori.
Good evening, Pat. I don't think there will be anyone who is surprised if there are some delays or complications with the cleanup here in Pacific Palisades in Malibu. But you're right, already tonight there are indications it might take much longer than anticipated. The plan to clean up the Palisades fire zone was this. The EPA goes in and cleans anything hazardous. Then the Army Corps of Engineers goes in and clears the rubble and debris. But already that plan has hit a snag. As of tonight, this map shows hundreds of properties in Malibu and hundreds in Pacific Palisades that the EPA says are so unsafe it will not send crews in to clean anything on those lots.
A lot of these houses are on the sides of cliffs, or they burned partially and there's wreckage and they're going to fall down on people if they go in and try to clean up a battery. So much to their surprise, they weren't able to clean as great a percentage of the parcels as they had projected.
Instead, the EPA is handing those properties over to the Army Corps of Engineers to handle. At the only local radio station in Malibu, reporter Hans Letz broke the story on 99.1 over the weekend. Instead of environmental protection workers, the EPA confirmed to him the Army Corps of Engineers will bulldoze the sites and at the same time be responsible for removing any hazmat. That changes who does it and when.
Is it different because the Army Corps of Engineers is doing it instead of the EPA? I don't think so. But it means it'll take longer and there'll be a whole lot more material.
How much longer? The controversial hazmat waste collection sites in Topanga Creek and at Will Rogers Beach were supposed to close at the end of the month. The question is whether that can still happen if there's still so much that needs to be cleaned.
They're going to sort the hazmat out. And where are they going to do that? They're going to do it at Topanga Creek and Will Rogers State Beach, which is going to take months. Because we're looking at, instead of dozens of truckloads, we're looking at hundreds or thousands of truckloads. And not just in Malibu, but in the Pacific Palisades, too.
Now you can track the progress of the cleanup at any specific address on a new interactive map, and you can get a link to that map on the LA County Recovers website. We are live in Malibu tonight. I'm Lori Perez. Pat, back to you.